You guys, I don't even know how this just happened, but it did. Hi guys, so today I'm doing a video that is very different. I decided that I was going to get a wig. So I was approached by the company UniWigs. So the wig that I got is a synthetic lace front wig, and basically, let me show you. This is my beautiful little wiggy baby. It has the most gorgeous, like, periwinkle-y color. And then my friend, who actually is really talented with wigs, unlike myself, she custom rooted it for me. Apparently there is Sharpies and alcohol involved. I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. All I know is that she rooted this for me to give it like this really cool natural effect to it, to go and kind of blend into this beautiful periwinkle colors. Inside it has these little hair clips, and then underneath it has the little hair bands to make sure that it tightens onto your hair really well. And you guys, there's a lot of hair in this, so I can do some really fun styles. Again, this is the Cloud Synthetic Lace Front wig. So we're gonna put that guy on like that. I have the wig on. Great. So let's try to do a fun little braid tutorial, okay? So I'm going to do 2 Dutch braids, and then we're gonna kind of pin them up. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to clip these off because I want these to hang out later. We're just gonna leave them right there. And I'm gonna start Dutch braiding. If you guys wanna know how to do a Dutch braid, you can go check it out in one of my videos. I have a video that makes it super simple. So I'm gonna kind of like Dutch braid back like you would to like piggy tail braids. Okay, so I've got one part of my braid done. I'm just going to take this and kind of razor this down to give me some really soft little wispy hairs around my face. And then I'm gonna finish braiding this down, and we're gonna make like a big giant bun from that. So you know what? This is actually not going that bad. I'm actually kind of impressed with myself right now. So I just finished up that. Now what I'm thinking is I'm going to like take this and go around and just kind of make like a nice giant messy bun, and then do the same thing to the other side. How am I going to pin all of this hair up though? I really don't know. You guys, did I totally not just make this work? I mean, hello. This, I have a wig on my head right now. This is not my hair. Look at this. It's like that dream hair that you want to style and braid and do all this fun stuff with, but it's a freaking wig. I'm thoroughly impressed. So I just pinned both sides up. It's super easy. You just kind of like wrap it either in a knot if it's long enough, or you just kind of wrap it around and start to pin. And look at how cute and easy this hairstyle is. I mean, would you guys know, if you guys saw me in public, would you guys know that this isn't my hair? For reals, let's be honest. I am so stoked about this. I think this is so much fun. I'm gonna go take a picture for my Instagram and see if people actually think that it's real. And yeah, I think this is such a fun idea. This wig was around $100 US. And I think it would be a really fun site to get some like nicer synthetic wigs. They also have human hair wigs, but this one is that synthetic stuff. So I tried to curl it, but to be honest guys, it didn't really curl. Again, I don't know how to do this stuff. So I know there's all kinds of tricks and tips and all that. So this was more so just a review. I think the actual material of this is really, really nice. It's synthetic. It is thick as all get out.